KidZ is a diverse and inclusive toy company on a mission to educate and make a change through play. We are dedicated to creating connections and bringing awareness about cultural diversity and embracing everyone as they are. Our kid-focused products help children learn about other cultures, traditions, and countries, and inspires them to create a world that embraces diversity and inclusivity of all kinds. Each kit is developmentally appropriate, targeting all sensory and learning processes. This is why we are in a high demand in schools, homes, and hospitals, and we make it fun. Developed by an educator and a child psychiatrist with over 20 years experience who understand the importance of play and learning. As someone who was bullied throughout her life for being different, this is her personal story. Her expertise and work are more than appreciated by the media and by classrooms and businesses around the country. The company is expanding to broaden its reach through books, television programming, and much more. And we're doing it all with a single goal in mind: to make diversity no longer an issue and instead a cultural norm.